Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Good morning. How are you all? Hope you all will be fine. So class 3. Today the date is 13 July and 2020 and the day is Monday. And I am your ma'am Amreen Khalid. Students, today we are going to start. Actually already we have started unit number 2, noun. Okay, you all know about noun. So today we are going to start now nouns kinds. Okay, common noun and proper noun. So there are two kinds of noun, common noun and proper noun. Okay, so today we will learn about common noun and proper noun. Okay, can you tell me what is a noun? As you all know that a word that is a person, place or thing is called a noun. And in other words, we can say if a word is a person, place or thing, it is a noun. You may not realize this, but there are two types of noun: common noun and proper nouns. Common noun means common names. Okay, like if I say cat, so every cat is cat. But if I give cats a specific name, so it will be proper. So common noun name a type of person, place or thing. कोई भी किस्म का name हो person का, place का और thing का, it's called common noun. ठीक है? But proper noun name a specific person, place or thing. प्रॉपर नाउन अ स्पेसिफिक पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग. लाइक अगर मैं किसी स्पेसिफिक पर्सन और प्लेस या फिर थिंग के बारे में बात कर रही होंगी, सो इट इज़ प्रॉपर नाउन. बट एक कॉमन नाउन, कॉमन नेम के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, लाइक कैट, तो कैट इज़ अ कॉमन. सो this is common noun. Here I have an example, common and proper noun. Okay, so this is a, as you all know that this is a dog. Okay, so dog is a common name of it. ओके, डॉग, सब डॉग होते हैं, तो हम ये इट्स अ कॉमन नेम. बट इफ आई गिव इट फिडो, ठीक है, तो इट्स स्पेसिफिक नेम ऑफ दिस डॉग फिडो और कोई डॉग का नेम नहीं है, सिर्फ इसी स्पेसिफिक डॉग का नेम फिडो है, तो इट्स प्रॉपर नाउन. ओके, लेट्स सी अनदर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव हियर. सो यू कैन आई थिंक easily understand. Here is a picture of a girl. Okay, so girl is a common noun. Every girl is a girl. I am a girl. You are a girl. ठीक है. But if I give this girl a specific name, and it could be Rachel. So this girl name is Rachel. So this is a specific name. Okay. So it is proper noun. Girl is a common noun, but Rachel is a proper noun. Now here we have another example. This is a park. You can see park. Okay, so park is common. Okay, every park is park, so it's a common name of this place, park. This is a park. But if I give, there is a specific name of this park. Okay, so this name is Smithfield Park. Okay, specific name of this park is Smithfield Park. So this is proper. Okay, park is common, but Smithfield Park is proper noun. So now you all know that common nouns name a type of person, place or thing, and proper noun name a specific person, place or thing. ठीक है. Here we have another example. This is stadium. So it's common. All stadium are stadiums. So this is stadium and it's common name. Okay, but there is a specific name of this stadium and it is York Stadium. So York Stadium is a proper noun. Okay, stadium is common, but York Stadium is proper noun. Now let's see another example. It's a laptop, or you can say computer. Okay, it's a computer. but there is a name of a specific name of this computer, and what is it? It's Pentium 10. Okay, so Pentium 10, it's a proper noun and computer is common. Okay, hope now common and proper noun are clear to compute. Did you notice that all of the proper nouns start with a capital letter and all of the common nouns start with a lowercase letter? So all the proper nouns start with a capital letter and all the common noun start with a lowercase letter. Okay, did you clear? So now it's time to start our book exercises. I think common and proper noun clear to you all, and now it's time to start our book exercises. Take out your maximum of English grammar and composition. And open page number 16. Page number 14, 15 we have already done. So now today we will do about page number 16. Okay. Okay. Shahid Afridi is a Pakistani cricket player. Kalimullah is a Pakistani football player. Asamul Haq is a Pakistani tennis player, and Muhammad Wasim is a Pakistani boxer. So there are some nouns. Okay, Shahid Afridi, Kalimullah, Asamul Haq, Muhammad Wasim. So you know Shahid Afridi, Kalimullah, Asamul Haq and Muhammad Wasim, these all are proper nouns. ये सब क्या है? Proper nouns हैं, because स्पेसिफिक नेम है ये प्लेयर्स के. ओके, दीज ऑल आर स्पेसिफिक नेम्स ऑफ प्लेयर्स. प्लेयर कॉमन नाउन होगा, बट प्रॉपर नाउन क्या होगा? शाहिद अफरीदी, कलीमुल्लाह, मोहम्मद वसीम एंड असामुल हक. These all are proper nouns because these all are specific name of the players. Okay, clear? The nouns Shahid Afridi, Kalimullah, Muhammad Wasim, Asamul Haq, etc. are naming words. These are naming words. They are called proper nouns. और इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Proper nouns. Special names of people and places are called proper nouns. They always begin with a capital letter. We have already learned about it that special names of people and places वो क्या कहलाते हैं? Are called proper nouns, and they always begin with a capital letter. Remember this thing. Proper noun always start with the capital letter. If it is come in the starting of the sentence or in the middle of the sentence or in the end of the sentence, it always start with the capital letter. चाहे sentence के start में आए, चाहे middle में और चाहे end में, it always start, proper noun always start with the capital letter. अच्छा, now you know about special name of people and places are called proper nouns. There are some other proper nouns like the names of days and months are proper nouns. You know, name of days यानी कि ये Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, these all are also proper nouns. So ये कभी भी sentence के middle में आएंगे या end में भी आएंगे, तो it always start with the capital letter. Like this months, months के name, these all months name are also proper nouns. month के name भी proper होते हैं. So months name if comes between in the middle of the sentence or in the end of the sentence, so it always start with the capital letter. Let's see some example of common nouns. Sabina is a good girl. She lives in Islamabad. Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan. Pakistan is a beautiful country. Sabina has a dog. Her dog's name is Boxer. Sabina has a brother. His name is Ali. Ali lives with his uncle in Lahore. Now we need to point out the common nouns. Let's see what are the common nouns. Okay, girl. Yes, girl is a common noun because it's a person, but it's common. ठीक है, तो it's common कि अगर मैं girl कहूँगी तो वो सारी girls कहलाएंगी. ठीक है, but Sabina उसका proper है because Sabina specific name है, but here we are talking about common noun. So girl is a common noun. Then she lives in Islamabad. Islamabad is proper. Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan. Here city is the common noun because city, every city होती है ना, तो it's a common noun. ठीक है. पाकिस्तान is proper because पाकिस्तान किसी country का specific name है. Okay. So the third one is country. Country common because country we have a lot of countries, but अगर किसी country का specific name होगा then it will be proper like Pakistan. Okay. Then here we have animal dog. Okay. So dog is common, but अगर इस dog का name होगा specific like here we have boxer, so boxer will be proper. I think now it's clear to you. In the above sentences, girl, city, country, dog are common noun, and a common noun is a common name of a person, place or thing. किसी भी person, place और thing का common name जो है वो क्या कहलाता है? Common noun. Here we have some list. Common noun: boy, girl, man, woman, cousin, nurse, singer, teacher, city, village. And proper boy है तो name दिया हुआ माज, रिदा, मोहसिन, शाइस्ता, दानियाल, माहा. These are all proper noun. All right. Now page number 18. Here we have an exercise. Show which word need to be capitalized. You need to show which word is you need to show which word need to be capitalized. So example is here: I went to Murray last August. You know, months names are proper, so it should be in capital, and places always start with the capital letter because these are proper noun. So I went to Murray, M capital, and last August, A capital. Okay. Now here we have Basit had a birthday party on Friday. Let's see. First of all, first letter should be capital, and Basit is a specific name, proper noun. So Basit, B should be capital, and had a birthday party. Birthday is common, party is common, on Friday. Name of days always comes with the capital letter, so Friday F should be capital. Okay, like this you need to do all the exercise in your book and then in your copy too. Now can you name these famous structures? There are some pictures, you need to name them. Okay, what is this? Yes, it's Minar-e-Pakistan. So you need to write Minar-e-Pakistan over here. Here is the spelling of Minar-e-Pakistan. Then what is this? Great Wall of China. Great Wall. It is Khana-e-Kaaba. And then we have Eiffel Tower. Yes, Eiffel Tower we have. So hopefully you all will do this exercise without any help. Where are these famous structures located? Now you need to tell कि where are these structures located. Great Wall of China, obviously China में located है. खाने काबा, Saudi Arabia. मीनार-ए-पाकिस्तान, पाकिस्तान में located है. Eiffel Tower in Paris. Then page number 19. Alright, in page number 19 there, here you have writing practice. Fill in the correct naming words. A dash treats patients. He works in a hospital. Here are the hints for you. So baker, barber, teacher, photographer, mechanic or doctor. Yes, a doctor treats patient. He works in a hospital. A teacher teaches student. Yes, a teacher teaches student. He works in a school. Teacher teach करती है student को और वो कहाँ पे work करती है? School में. Like this you need to solve this exercise. Okay. And now put the naming words from the above sentence in the right columns. Doctor people है, ठीक है, people column में. Places कहाँ work करते हैं? Hospital, so hospital will come in places corner. Another example, teacher, so teacher people है, so will come in the people column. And where he works, so he works in a school, so school will be in places column. Alright. Page number 20, vocabulary practice. Name any two people, two places and two things that you can see in the picture. You need to name two places, people, things and animals you can see in the picture. So here is the picture. Pupil. I think one I will solve for you, but the second one you will find out by yourself. Pupil, yes, barber. here are more peoples. You can see policeman, okay, carpenter. There are a lot of people you can see. So barber, okay, done. Now the second one, places. Zoo, we can see zoo here, okay, and the second one could be playground. Playground is a place. Now think, there are a lot of things. Bangles I have choose, okay, you can write any other thing. Bike is here, okay, and box is here, tree is here, tree is a thing, okay. Alright, animals, you can see lion here, tiger, okay, bear. So you can write here. I have done one for you. Now you need to find out the other one. Alright class, now it's time to home tasks. Hopefully you all have understood common noun and proper noun. So common noun are the common names of a person, place, animal or thing, and proper nouns are specific name of a person, place, animal or thing. And proper noun always start with the capital letter if it comes in between beginning and in the end of the sentences. Now your home task is do page number 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 in Maxim English book, okay, and then copy work here, make title page of common and proper noun and make a list of 10 common and 10 proper nouns. First you need to make a title page of common and proper noun and then make a list of 10 common and 10 proper nouns. Then you need to copy down exercise of grammar practice from page number 18 in your copy. On page number 18 you have an exercise of grammar practice, so you need to copy down that exercise in your copy. Hopefully now you all have understood. If you didn't understand what I taught, so ask me in the live session, okay. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.